Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a VW Golf MK7 wing mirror. Start by disconnecting the battery and lowering the window to access fasteners. Remove the interior cover gently. Use a trim tool to release clips and keep screws organized in a tray. Disconnect the mirror plug. Swap the actuator and glass if needed. Then reconnect and test movement. When removing the trim, be patient and work around clips to avoid damage. Use even pressure and a plastic trim tool to reduce scuffs. Once the triangular cover is off, locate 3 Torx screws and loosen them while supporting the mirror assembly. Keep track of fasteners and inspect the wiring harness for corrosion or damage before proceeding to the replacement step. Fit the new mirror by aligning mounting studs and seating it flat against the door. Hand thread screws first so threads engage cleanly, then tighten evenly to manufacturer feel. Reconnect the electrical plug and test mirror adjustment, folding, and heating functions before finishing. Refit interior trim, press clips until they click, then do a final check for secure fit and smooth operation while closing and opening the door.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.